guys, it's me again, Royza Romel here, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, today's vlog, guys, I am going to do a short tutorial for you guys how to pay online using these e-government websites. And yeah, you can find the website for traffic, for identity card, if you are going to renew your ID CPR card or apply for your new employee CPR card, and online. And if you want to pay your IWA bill online, and if you want to apply online visa, also if you want to renew your passport online. So yeah, everything you need to do, or everything you need to find on this website, e-government website. So yes, guys, and today's vlog, I am going to show you how to pay online for your vehicle's registration renewal. Yes, disclaimer, I am not a government employee. I am just an ordinary employee in the private company here in Bahrain. So yeah, and again, this tutorial only for Bahrain residents, so that means Bahraini and expat. So yeah, regarding for the CPR, if you want to renew your CPR individual, I mean yourself, so make sure your address is updated on the LMRA system for your company LMRA system or SIO system. So if you are the one who handle for that account, so it's easy for you to update your address. But if you are not, you have to ask your employer or the one who handle for that, like a secretary HR, so to update your address on the system of LMRA or CIO. So yes, guys, or if you're not, or if they not if they don't have the secretary or HR, you have to go find agent clearing documents who can help you to renew your CPR. So yeah, or your visa resident permit. So yes, guys. And anyway, guys, before I am going to start, don't forget to click subscribe if you are new to my channel, and hit likes, ring the bell notification so that you will be notified every time I upload a new videos. So yeah, guys, saranghe, love lang po tayo. So yeah, if you have anything to ask, just free comment down below. And if you want me to do something, okay, just comment down below. So yeah, saranghe. written here. So yeah, mag-English lang ako guys because of there's a foreigner watching my vlog. So yeah, yayamanin. So let's go back. So here, vehicles details, identity type. So just click one of the identity type of your car. So commercial registration number, personal numbers. If commercial registration number, that means your car is under company, the company who provides you, and the license or the plate number is under the company CR. So since I am going to renew my employer what we call this, vehicle registration renewal, so I am going personal because it's personal. So personal number, you have to enter your personal number. Okay, yeah, as you can see guys, yeah, personal number, vehicle number, registration type. So just click and type enter. So if it is private, you have to write private, motorcycle, for hire, constructions, public train, blah blah blah, whatsoever here you can see. So yeah, and then click continue. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how, but not going to show you the number. I'll be kicked. So yeah guys, after clicking continue, it this is the result. Yes, you need to pay. It's already written here, total amount due. So yeah, but if you already knew regarding this application or regarding this website, how to renew your registration, your car vehicles registration, so yeah, so I cannot show you exactly. Oh my god, magalaw. I already paid. It's written here success. So yun, and all you need to do is to print out or save by PDF. So yeah, so yeah guys, that's all for today. That is only a short tutorial for you guys, and I hope you learn something, that you learn something how to pay online, how to use this website. Actually, that's what I am going to tell. So yes, and thank you for watching guys. Yeah, saranghe. See you on my next vlog.